23. Mushroom. A type of plant which grows very quickly, has a flat or rounded top, and can be eaten as a vegetable. 24. Drumstick. One such amazing vegetable that is greatly valued and earns our interest is drumstick or Moringa oleifera. 25. Capsicum, a type of pepper which may be green, yellow, or red and can be eaten, cooked, or not cooked. 26. Coriander leaves. Coriander, a feathery annual plant of parsley family. The plant's delicate young leaves are known as cilantro. 27. Rice gourd. English common names include angled loofah, Chinese okra, dish cloth gourd, rice gourd, sponge gourd, vegetable gourd. 28. Garlic, a plant with a strong taste and smell that looks like a small onion and is used in cooking. 29. Turnip. The turnip is a root vegetable commonly grown in temperate climates worldwide for its white fleshy taproot. 30. Tenda, round gourd, a round or bottle shaped fruit that has a hard shell and that cannot usually be eaten, or the shell of this fruit used as a container. 31. Green pea. Green pea is a part of the legume family which is commonly available during the winter season. These teeny seeds can be added to several foods. 32. Chili. Chili, as the name implies, has non-pungent fruit. The heat was bred out of the peppers. 33. Sweet gourd. Sponge gourd. The sponge gourd is said to be good for various health issues in Indian Ayurvedic medicine. 34. Pointed gourd. Pointed gourd is known by many other names: parwal, patol, green potato, etc. 35. Colocasia. Colocasia or Kochu taro root is considered to be one of the first cultivated plants in human history. 36. Ivy gourd. Coccinia is extensively used as a vegetable and grown widely throughout the Indian subcontinent. It is commonly called kundra in India. 37. Carrot. Carrot is one of the most popular vegetable grown and consumed in numerous countries all over the world. 38. Cucumber. The cucumber is a widely cultivated creeping vine plant. 39. Green chili. Green chilies are scientifically known as Capsicum fructan. The spiciness of green chilies comes from a chemical called capsaicin. 40. Red chili. Red chili is an herb. Its fruit is commonly applied for the skin for arthritis, pain, and other conditions. 41. Ginger. Ginger is a flowering plant whose rhizome, ginger root, or ginger is widely used as a spice and a folk medicine. 42. Broccoli. Broccoli is an edible green plant in the cabbage family. 43. Sweet potato. Sweet potatoes, often called yams, are a dicot and are from morning glory family. 44. Yam. A yam is a root vegetable which is like a potato and grows in tropical regions. Yams are the same as sweet potatoes. 45. Raw papaya. The unripe fruit of the papaya tree, which is called raw papaya or green papaya, is beneficial to health in many ways. 46. Fenugreek. Methi is a plant known as for its seeds, fresh leaves, and dried leaves. It is called fenugreek in English. 47. Uneducated beans. Bean is the name used for the seeds of plants. Most of these plants are known as legumes. 48. Cucumber. Cucumber, creeping plant of the gourd family, widely cultivated for its edible fruit. 49. Raw banana. Raw bananas are also called green bananas. They are unripe, have a firm flesh, and are less sweet than a ripe banana. 50. Green onion. Green onions or spring onions are in fact very young onions harvested before the bulb has had a chance to swell. 51. Onion leaf. Onion leaf has a white round bulb with long stems and are also sold in bunches. 52. Dill. Dill and fennel often get confused for one another. They seem similar in appearance, but they are in fact two different plants. 53. Water chestnut. Water caltrop, a floating aquatic on agaricus plant. If you like the video, then like and share with your friends. And if you have not subscribed to the channel yet, then subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching the video till the end.